Okay, got a leak underneath the roof here. Asphalt shingles. What I'm doing is got my wife inside there. We've already identified the leaks, but I'm on the outside here and she's gonna pound on the areas that are leaking. Okay, you can see it's a little soft right here. I'm pushing. Yeah, they shouldn't be doing that. Okay. Keep doing it. Yep, keep doing it. Yep. Okay. Yep. Yep. Okay. Okay. Got it. I think what we'll do, we'll kind of target this area roughly. Like tic-tac-toe on the roof. See the difference here? That's soft. No give. No give up here. That's how it should be. But right here, it sinks in. Okay, here's the product I'm using. This wet and dry all-season roof patch from Gardner. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and target this area first. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of get under here. Now the idea here is not to damage any shingles. So I'm just gonna kind of get under here best I can. Start to lift up on these. Get them up so I can get access underneath them. And I'll do the same thing for up here as well. It's cold out here, so these things are gonna be pretty brittle. Sees a lot of sun in the summertime, so they're really stuck together. See, I've already got this one up. I've been really careful not to use too much force, just being able to get underneath there and access those. You can see that. So I can put my patch under there. That's where it's gonna go. That's the idea, is to get this accessible so I can get my roof patch underneath there. Just getting in there and slathering it all around real good. Okay, got this area done. Of course, it's starting to rain out here. This stuff works in the rain or dry. So right there, had a little nail poke through the shingle, so I just hit it with a little bit of that stuff. So you can see for this area here, it's roughly 3 by, we'll just say 3 by 3. I went through that much. So about, you know, almost all of a can. Just a little bit left in there, just for that area. Okay, so now all I'm doing is taking it, making sure I press the whole area, making sure it's nice and compressed. I've kind of been doing this as I go too.